Happy Wednesday fashion vlog everyone. Today's video is we gonna do unboxing. So now is mostly I'm doing unboxing. I keep ordering online because I don't have time to go to the mall. So this time we're doing unboxing. So come on guys. And now I'm gonna get my favorite tiny knife. See, I always prefer this tiny knife. It's a color green by the way. So this is the one that we're gonna do unboxing, and let's see what inside and what I ordered this time. As I believe I have this idea guys, this is one of the gifts that I'm gonna give it to one of my friend's birthday because it's her birthday is upcoming. So come on guys, let's see. And look at this, how do we, it's like a wasting box. How do we the boxes? But actually I love it. And look at this. If you notice, one of my video is the same as this box also. So because right now is the Michael Kors, it's my favorite brand because it's free shipping, and plus if you have a Kors VIP, it's you have a discount also. So let's do unboxing this guys. This is one of the gift of my friend. Her birthday is upcoming soon, so come on, let's do it. I love how the video wrap it rather than the previous Michael Kors that I order online. So let's see what is inside, and I will share it to you what I order for her because I know she loves my closet and my purses by the way. So this is the one guys. Taran, look at this. It's almost similar the one that I unboxing last time because it's so pretty and I love the design. So let's do it where I can okay. I don't want to rip it out because I want to put it back and wrap it nicely for her birthday, but for now is I need to do unboxing. See, look at this. Look at that guys. So okay, sorry but I have to open it. I'm gonna open this so that I can show it to you what it look like. I'm gonna rip it out. Around guys, and this one is gold. Look at that. The previous one is silver because of the color that I picked for the gift of one of my relatives. So now I love this. I wish I can rip it out. This I'll try my best, but if it's ripped, so sorry. Yeah, it's ripped, so I rather to do that. is the color that I picked for here. Because she said she loved brown color. So look at that, the Michael Kors design. I'm not gonna take it out this one. I can put it back later. So that's gonna be that one, guys. See, look at this. This is the one, and that's gonna be its look like. And as usual is there's I always look for the authentication, by the way. So here's the Michael Kors tag, and I don't wanna show it to you guys the prices, and look at this. Look at that, the authentication. It's here. So this is the bag that I have for here, and it looks so nice and very neat. But I noticed I have a card for the gratings, but they don't even really do it. And this is the one, guys. I love it. So this is gonna be its look like. It's similar the one that I unboxing. Actually, it's the same. The difference is the colors. So the colors is black and brown, and this is gonna be like that, or it's a crossbody. It's so nice, guys. I'm kind of jealous for all the one that I ordered, and you can even do a shoulder bag, but I do wanna repeat this cover because this is a gift. This is a gift from me and from my husband, because he knows all of my very close friends. So this is the one, guys. It's so nice. Actually, I'm kind of jealous because I don't have this kind of purse in my collection. I have some already for the Michael Kors, but I don't have this kind of collection. So this is the one, guys. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, guys, every Monday is my fashion vlog, and I always promote my YouTube channel. So Monday schedule is about food and restaurant. Wednesday is shopping, unboxing, and collection in my closet. Friday is about the travels, adventure, which places we've been, hotels, as well as the restaurant. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you liked my video. See you soon.